Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the warm glow of a fire pit. It's not just a source of heat, it's a gathering spot, a place where memories are made. In today's homes, outdoor areas have become extensions of our living spaces. They reflect our style and provide a personal retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. A fire pit serves as the heart of this outdoor sanctuary. It's where stories are shared, meals are cooked, and the stresses of the day melt away. The beauty of a fire pit lies in its ability to bring people together, creating an inviting atmosphere that's hard to resist. In today's video, we are exploring how incorporating a fire pit into your backyard landscaping can transform your outdoor space into a cozy, stylish, and functional area. Whether you're looking to host lively gatherings or enjoy quiet evenings under the stars, a fire pit can be the perfect addition to your home. With careful planning and design, a fire pit can become the centerpiece of your backyard, providing warmth, light, and a sense of community. So let's dive in and discover the potential of fire pits to enhance your outdoor living experience. Landscaping around the fire pit. Creating a beautiful landscape around your fire pit involves more than just aesthetics. It's about crafting an environment that's both functional and inviting. Here's how you can achieve that. Choose the right ground cover. Start with a fire-resistant ground cover like gravel or pavers. These materials are not only practical, but also add texture and color to your space. They're easy to maintain and safe, ensuring embers or sparks don't start any unintended fires. Illuminate the space. Proper lighting is crucial. It sets the mood and ensures safety after dark. Consider solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly option or LED lights for a long-lasting solution. Place them strategically to highlight the fire pit and the pathways leading to it. Consider the overall flow. The layout should be intuitive. There should be a clear path to the fire pit and an open area around it for people to move freely. Avoid cluttering the space with too much furniture or decorations. The goal is to create a harmonious balance between nature and the elements you introduce. By focusing on these aspects, you can design a landscape around your fire pit that's not only beautiful, but also practical and safe. It will be a space where you can enjoy countless evenings, basking in the warmth of the fire and the beauty of your surroundings. And that's a wrap on today's journey of transforming spaces into places of warmth and inspiration. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Hopeful Decor for your regular dose of creativity. Remember, there's always room for a little more beauty in our lives. Stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.